Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Microbial Life WIM. My name is Abhijit Haldar. As you all know, in this video series we are discussing about some microorganisms like bacteria, protozoa, fungi, which affect human beings and other animals and cause some deadly diseases. So today we will discuss about the microorganism named Legionella pneumophila. Let's start with introduction. Legionella pneumophila is a gram-negative, strictly aerobic bacterium of the Legionellacea family. It exhibits poor staining and can appear in different forms. In lungs or sputum samples, pneumophila appears as a small to a rod shaped with length 3 to 5 micrometer. This is a rod shaped and its size is 3 to 5 micrometer. When cultured, it appears as long filamentous bacillus with a length of 10 to 25 micrometer. The number of reported serogroups varies, with the highest report of 16 recognized serogroups. Now, pathogenesis. The primary features of pathogenesis of Legionella is their ability to multiply intracellularly, but the whole infection process in both protozoa and mammalian cell, including bacterial cell, attachment to host cell, survival, intercellular replication and cell to cell spread, all indicate its pathogenesis. Studies of the infection cycle of Legionella are primarily based on microscopic observation, bright transmission and scanning, electron microscopy and fluorescent microscopy after labeling various bacterial and host cell components. Many studies have determined the process of bacteria entering the host cell. To date, it is sure that the process is as follows: by coiling phagocytosis, one phagocytized the Legionella bacteria reside within a unit phagosome and don't fuse with lysosomes and become highly acidic. Now, by which it is transmitted? The transmission process. Legionella organisms are often present in soil and fresh water. Embassies present in fresh water are naturally reservoir for those bacteria. Legionella organism may enter a building plumbing system via freshwater source. A building's water supply is often the source of a Legionella outbreak. Legionella organisms are embedded in a biofilm that forms on the inside of water pipes and containers. The infection is usually acquired by inhaling aerosol or less often aspiration of contaminated water, example as generated by shower heat misters, whirlpool baths or water cooling towers of air conditioning. Nosocomial infection usually involves a contaminated hot water supply. Now, what are the signs and symptoms? In this disease, it is a flu-like syndrome with acute fever, chills, malaise, headache and or confusion, nausea, loose stool or water diarrhea, abdominal pain, cough also frequently occur. Pneumonic manifestation may include dyspnea, pleuritic pain and hemoptysis. Bradycardia relief to fever may occur, especially in severe cases. Now came in diagnosis. Direct fluorescence and antibody staining, sputum culture using specific growth media, rapid urinary antigen test or serogroup 1 only. Before I proceed to the last point, the treatment, I will make you understand this is the cycle. This is a free living Legionella. When it's attacked, the biofilm associated Legionella found in the natural and man-made water system, and then the Legionella species have different anemia host ranges, and when it's affect to the human body by AC cooling tower or Legionella droplet in small water droplets, release of Legionella infecting alveolar lungs macrophages. And this is the symptoms is cough, fever, chilly, HS and shortness of breath. Now came in treatment. Fluoroquinolone given 4 or orally for 7 to 14 days and for severely immunocompromised patients, sometimes up to 3 weeks in the preferred regimen. Azithromycin for 5 to 10 days is effective, but erythromycin may be less effective. Erythromycin should be used only for mild pneumonia in patients who are not immunocompromised. Deoxycycline is an alternative for immunocompetent patients with mild pneumonia. Sometimes doxycycline is also used. I hope from this video you have learned something. If it is useful, please subscribe to our channel for the latest update, and for upcoming videos you will get the notification if you subscribe and press the bell icon. If you want to join in our WhatsApp or Telegram group, you can find it from the description box, from where you can join and get some PDF notes and galleries and different topics and competitive exams updated. And if you need notes on this particular topic, you will also find it from the description box. Thank you.